Let's use texture animation. Second half. Here, we add further process to the created video in the first part. We are going to use texture mapping function and texture switch function. I'll explain with the user interface of version 2.57. The video created in the first part is displayed. Now, we are going to change the position of the black eye with mapping function and black eye itself with texture switch. First, let's move the black eye with multi-layered texture key input function. Human side is easier to control with static texture mapping rather than video texture. This time, let's move focus from frame 525 to frame 540. First, let's go to the frame 525 where this move starts. Now, select second layer 1 in texture user box since we are going to control black eye. Now, push the key button of pastel action. This key input function has two functions. First is the function to display which texture for each layer. The other is texture mapping function. Once you push the key button, there will be submenu, so select key input. Now, the information that black eye texture will be used in this frame and the position of it are recorded. Next, let's go to the frame 500, the end of this black eye move. Here we are. The position of black eye is decided with node function, which is the standard function of Blender. Please don't use the mapping function of the standard function of Blender since it can't use key input. Open vector of node function. Put position X to -0.01. The position of black eye has changed. Let's enter key. Let's render. Now, let's switch texture of black eye and make black eye into star shape. It's some kind of surreal. We've set the move of black eye. Here, we change black eye into star shape from the 541 frames just after the eyeball move is done. First, add star shape black eye texture. Black eye texture is in second layer 1, so add texture to second layer 2. Select texture. Select Start Texture to open. Now, let's go to 541 frame. Here we are, so let's switch texture. With texture switch of pastel action, select second layer 2. Black eye turn into star. Let's input key. Now, black eye becoming a star from frame 541 is fixed. Let's render. I've explained texture mapping and switch. Thank you for watching.